Next section, spatial groups. Define spatial groups. The spatial groups are those which are constituted because of spatial contiguity of their members. Types: clan, tribe, band.
Clan or ship. Detail going on. Clan or ship. Meaning: clan is often the combination of few lineages and descent of few lines and descent who may be ultimately traced to a mythical ancestor who may be human, human-like, animal, plant, or even inanimate. Definition: a tribe or group of family under a single chief, usually all having one surname.
Look at this picture. Clan.
Characteristics of clan. Detail going on. First, exogamous group. The clan is an exogamous group since all the members of a clan believe themselves to be descendants from an ancestor. Consequently, they do not marry any members of their clan. Marriage is contracted only out of one's own clan. Second, common ancestor. The organization of the clan is based on the consumption of a common ancestor. The ancestor can be real or mythical. Three, unilateral group. The nature of the clan is unilateral wise. In one clan, there is either the collection of all families on the mother's side or of all the families on the father's side. Types of clan: matrilineal clan and patrilineal clan. Detail going on. First, matrilineal clan. In this, all the offspring of one woman are held to be member of one clan. At the same time, the sisters and brothers of the woman are also members of this clan. In this way, a matrilineal clan includes the woman, her offspring, her sisters, and their children, but it does not include the children of the brothers. Second, patrilineal clan. In this clan are included the man, his children, his brothers and sisters, and the children of the brothers but not of the sisters. Functions of clan, detail going on. First function, mutual assistance and protection. The members of a clan possess a weak feeling because of their belief in descent from a common ancestor. They are prepared not merely to assist one another, but even to lay down their lives for each other. When one member of the clan is injured, all others share his pain. Two sayings are prevalent among them. First, strike my clan brother and you strike me. And second, the blood of the clan is my blood. Second, control over members. Individuals spoiling in anti-social acts are extradited for the clan. In this way, the conduct of clan members is controlled. Three legal function. It is the universal legal function of the clan to punish miscreant and maintain peace and order in this manner. Three, exogamy. Within the help of law of exogamy, the clan arranges marriage from outside the group. This, on the one hand, avoids conflicts within the clan between men for a woman, and on the other serves to increase cordially and friendship with the members of the other clans. Five, governmental functions. The clan performs all the governmental or administrative functions for its members. The heads of the various clans meet and form a committee for the tribe, which serves to mediate in the conflict between clan members and takes political decision in war and peace time. Six, property. In the village where agriculture is carried on, it is the clan which arranges for agricultural land. The head of the clan distributed the land. When a person is disadvantaged of the membership of the clan, he is also disadvantaged of this land. Members can only rent the land.
Distinction between clan and caste. First, clan is based on mythical ancestor, but caste is a real organized group. Second, clan is a exogamous group, but caste is endogamous group. Third, the members have same status, but caste They possess the higher and lower status.
Tribal groups.
Tribal groups. Definition. A tribe is a collection of families being a common name, speaking a common dialect, occupying or professing to occupy a common territory, and is not usually endogamous. Though originally it might have been so. Look at these pictures, tribal groups. Characteristics of tribes. First, common territory. Second, sense of unity. Third, common language. Fourth, endogamous. Fifth, blood relationship. Sixth one, own political organization. Seventh, importance of religion. Eighth, common name. Difference between tribe and clan. First, tribe definite common territory, but for clan there is no definite territory. Second, tribe has common language, but clan there is no common language. Third, tribe is endogamous, but clan is exogamous group. Difference between tribe and caste. Tribe is a territorial group, but caste social group. Second, tribe organized because of community feeling, but caste organized on the basis of valuation of division of labor. Third, tribe has got political association, but caste never a political organization. Fourth, tribe take up any profession, but caste own definite occupation.
Band. Next spatial group is that band. Can you define band? It is the original form of local group which stands at the lowest level of people organization. Example, migratory hunters. Characteristics of band. Band have a loose organization. Their power structure is often egalitarian and has informal leadership. The older members of the band generally are looked to for guidance and advice, and decisions are often made on a consensus basis, but there are no written laws and none of the specialized cohesive roles typically seen in more complex societies. Bands. Customs are almost always transmitted orally. Formal social institutions are few or non-existent. Religion is generally based on family tradition. individual experience. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.